was a tire. Don't tell me there was a tire. It was a tire, man! No! Ah, no! Oh, God. To that one. Are you joking? This is a 40, I thought it was a 45. So what I gotta do is prepare the trailer for the 40. There's a couple of things I need to do, so I better get on with that. Do that. All right, let's get out of here then. Johnson's. Yes guys, we have arrived now to our destination. We're 1.3 miles away, or 1.6, depends what sign up you're looking at. But anyway, we get in there now, drop this, and as soon as we drop it, start making our way back. It's not difficult to get into this place, so what I can see on the online map, but we won't know until we actually get there. All right, this place is meant to be somewhere around there, or right at the end. Oh, here it is. Way. All right, I see a ramp there. I hate doing blind spots. We got a seal. It's gonna open the door. Reverse into that ramp over there. That should be about it. So just do it. That's a brand new container. All I gotta do is wait for these guys to come out and actually tell me what's going on, because they say like, no, they're over there. Like, it's just causing murder. Alright, I'm Ellie, I know that, I'm malarkey, all that stuff, but guess what's going on in here? They haven't got space where to put it because they got all this outside. They have to find space for all of this. It's like pallets stacked on top of pallets, and I think you can put 30 European ones side to side, so I think it's about 60 pallets there. This is gonna be all night. We're getting somewhere. No, we're not getting anywhere. That's only the first pallet coming out. Hopefully, I was meant to be here 5, but we're half an hour early. They're still like trying to do it and all that. They got like too much going on, but they're gonna try to do it. That's the main thing. If I can do that, I might be able to get back as well. But what I'm gonna do is just gonna take a break now. There's nothing else I can do. Only 3 to go now. Making progress. Guess whose tip now is gonna go now? So me. So let's get out of here now. While still they draw lights. Hopefully I don't encounter any traffic on the way there, but we never know what we can come up to. So I'll pull forward, close the doors, boom, out here. Let's pull to the gates and then close the doors. Get out of here. Yeah, I think I can make it back. Yeah, I got 3 hours and a half. Let's go. I better go and check on this because the guy's taking a while, man. I've been here for 3.5 hours. But I have the container way back, so I would say about 2 or 3 things. Alright, we're getting out of here now and just pulling out, closing the doors, waits for the paperwork, and we're just bombing it out of here. Ooh. Alright, see you along.
Alright, sure.
Suspension. Alright, clear. Hey, let me go first. Oh, you see, you're a legend. Thank you. Thank you, sir. I need you to get out and you stay there. Okay. Stay there, mate. You're alright there. Yeah. Fantastic. Fantastic. It's alright, mate? Alright, wait, mate. Jesus, where did it come from? Wow. It says access only. I'm pretty sure that's, you cannot get out that way. I don't know what that was. Don't tell me that was a tire. Don't tell me that was a tire. Don't tell me that was a tire, because it's gonna be my first blowout. Don't tell me it was a tire. Don't tell me it was a tire. Don't tell me there was a tire. It was a tire, man! No! No, it wasn't even a tire. What was it then? Ah, no! Mom! An airbag! Jesus, Mom! We got a little problem. One of the suspension airbags just blown up on me. And the last thing I needed.
On the unit or the trailer?
The trailer.
You need to get speak to Mick. He'll tell you what to do to get the problem.
I just run to the nearest place there. I got some cable tied. I'm gonna do the airbag now. Wow, it's like running basically. So I come to the location. This a little bit safer. So when the mechanic comes over, I can get it done. But it's literally like a couple of 100 meters away. I just want to get out of the way. Alright, let's go and get this done. I'm gonna pull out. Okay. And hopefully. So what I done, I just been on the phone to my mechanic, or Mick, which I prefer to call him. I just done what he told me. Cut it off, zip tie Tom, and then run on 5, and that should be alright. I'm just gonna pull there, and then that's it. I'm just gonna cut the video here, guys, until the mechanic comes and sort it out, put a new one. But I find out now if it's alright for me to run to the garage like this on 5 bucks or not. So before I do anything, I need to make sure that everything is like fine to do. Just gotta do a defect check before I run back, so do that now. Alright, I'm at the garage now. Managed to get here, put an airbag light for the time being, and then we're gonna just get this one swapped. Alright, so before I did the thing, so the missus needs to sign in, she just bring me some food as well. Transport manager signing this. He just brought me all the food in the world as well. Alright, I'm ready. I got clothes, I got food, I got everything I need, and then all I gotta do now is start making it down to Southampton, well, to the docks, and get this off. Like, I better get there quick, because I only got 2 hours working time. I need to get there quick. I'm on the port now. I'm literally like doing everything in a row now. I haven't been in such a rush in a while, but getting everything done today. We best get the next one in and get out of here, man. Oh God, that blowout, honestly, it just done everything. Everything is bad now. I got my fingers crossed that it's not going to take that long, but if it does, it could be disasters, because I won't be able to get too far. So working time, I'm running on my working time, it's 1 hour and 12 minutes. Trying to get as far as I can now to get to Southampton tomorrow. Oh, I got a guy coming in now, let's do it. Alright, my box is here now. Go on, lads! And for my luck, it's a new driver. So that guy in that big box there is new as well. Oh god! Oh my luck, bro. Like, he's on trees. He's on trees. A blowout. Get into the garage. I'm getting out of here. I'm plus trying to be on time. Whoa! Ah, so hard. It dropped so hard. Yeah, you good? Alright, put up my locks on, picture of the sails and everything, and getting out. It's been a good day. I'm in a hurry all the time, but it's been a good day. Got a sail number. Alright, running out. So everything's been done. I just need to get going. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, I managed to stop now. Hey, 6:15 tomorrow. Gonna get up. Trying to get to Southampton, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make my way back up here. I got my fingers crossed, but I think I might be able to manage. If I don't, I'm gonna have to stay out for 2 days. If I stay out for 2 days, it's gonna be absolutely mental. But because tomorrow's gonna be a hard day, I just had some food. I'm just gonna get in bed, sleep it off, and then tomorrow morning get on the road. It's been a crazy day today, but we're getting the hang of it now. Stay tuned, let's see what comes up out of tomorrow. So that's gonna be another good one, so I'll see you in a bit, kids. Morning guys, and today's a new day, and today's gonna be an amazing day. Look at how good it looks already. It is 6:20 in the morning. I'm just doing my checks and stuff in the uni as I always do, and all of you do as well if you're the truck driver. Get all my checks, get the stuff I need to sign, get my paperwork done, and get on the road and trying to make my way to Southampton, and we're gonna try to make it back. Right now we're on Warrington. Running down to Southampton is 3 hours and 54 minutes. Jesus, it's gonna be a tight one. I'm only allowed to work 30 hours today, so we're already running low. It's before Easter, the weekend before Easter. Well, it's a Friday before the weekend Easter, so everybody's gonna be traveling up and down the country, so we need to make sure that we get there. It's gonna crack on with this, guys. Alright, it's telling me that I get there at 10 o'clock in the morning, but that's going for the toll as well. If I aboard the toll, it's gonna take me 11 or 5. I'm in my mind up on the way down, but I'm gonna go for Birmingham, I guess, so let's go. Right, I managed to get to this place. I don't really know how. Not too far away. Let's crack this and go. Keep this. Right. I am gonna be exhausted after this. So, you know what that means, don't you? There we go. Alright, bay 20. Just a bay there. Alright, that's in a bay there. Hey, it's always something. Now is this. What? Honestly, what a lucky guy I am. Alright, I'm in. Just gonna open the door now. So I need to push forward because I'm too far. I'm just going on the platform now. I pushed the unit forward. I just need to make sure. You see, that was there, and I wouldn't be able to lift it. But now, because I pushed forward, it should be alright. So get my keys, get in with this. Let's do this quick. Alright, past that one to that one. Why's this not moving now? Why is it a joke? Are you joking? Alright, just came back to the truck quick to let you know what's going on. It's 20 past. Don't think I'm gonna get out of here on time. What's gonna happen now is they need to check it, and that's gonna take some time. I need to stop driving at 7:15, so I got 5 hours to get up north, which I doubt that they're gonna be able to make it so far. Thinking about using the toll and all that. It's not gonna happen. Alright, let's go back in and find out. Let's get out of here now. Let's close that door. Let's get out of here. All right, let's get out of here now. I'm just wondering, like, am I gonna make it? Am I not? All day. So we're in the fish and chips. Yes, thank you. So, managed to get back. Have to get rescued from one of the guys. We get in the fish and chips now. So, thank you for watching, like, comment, and all that thing. Cheers, guys.